it's NatalieGisselle if you didn't already, and for this video I thought we would do a weekend routine. So basically just showing you what I do Saturday and Sunday morning, because I do more things, but like that's more towards the afternoon, late afternoon, so I'm not going to be showing that. So just basically what I do in the morning, and that's about it, mainly cleaning. So I hope you enjoy this video. Like any days, I'm starting off with brushing my teeth, using some moisturizer and some deodorant, not trying to be stinky. Then I'm going on to put some jewelry and then some makeup just to get my day started. My makeup routine is literally just using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer under my eyes, on my blemishes, and then just spreading it out all over my cheeks and basically my whole face, like my foundation, but it's not as thick as the foundation. And I do this every day for when I go to work or when I'm just home or going to the store or something, because we're wearing masks. I don't see a point in doing a whole mess of foundation if it's just going to rub off on the mask. And in this case, I can just use a little concealer, spread it out, and I'm good to go. Outside, let's go outside. Go, go, go. Hurry, hurry. Come on, Lolo, going outside. Go, go, go. After I'm done doing my makeup, I like to come downstairs, let my dogs out to go to the bathroom. And before I eat, I actually like to put the dishes away and wash them. That way I feel like more calm when eating. I don't know, maybe it's just the me thing. My stomach does this thing where it's like really sensitive in the mornings if it's too early. So for today, I decided to go with just one waffle and some horchata that we had gotten for lunch the day before. And I thought I would have it with my waffle. After breakfast, I decided to fill up my water bottle and head upstairs to start vacuuming because everybody was basically awake already, so I didn't have to worry about being quiet anymore. I could just get on with vacuuming. Day 2, this is Sunday. I started off my day with a shower, and then like an hour or so later, I went to go start straightening my hair. But first, I've had these for a while, and I thought I would try them. And honestly, a lot of people get like sensitive with these. I only tried one, so I don't know. But my teeth didn't hurt at all. They weren't sensitive. And I mean, I hope I can see some whitening, because I went to a mall one time to get like my teeth whitened and they just stained yellow. So now it's hard to get them white. So I'm hoping that these teeth whitening teeth things from Crest help that out. And so now that my hair is dry, I am straightening my hair with this like hairbrush straightener that I got off of Amazon, and with my straightener that I probably got off like Marshall's or something like that. And I love this straightener. I've had it for a little while now and it works amazing. And then this cream, it's a vitamin K cream. I saw it on TikTok. If you guys seen my makeup videos, you see that I have dark circles, and this is supposed to lighten them up. So I'm hoping it does that. And then after that, I needed to clean my room, as you can see. So I just went in and started cleaning my room up, you know, making it nice, making it pretty. I still laugh at those toys. So I need some like bed decor. Now I'm here cleaning my restroom. This was the last thing I recorded just because we ended up going out on Sunday. And so this was the last thing I ended up cleaning that day, which was in the morning. So perfect, nice clean restroom, you know, for the coming week-ish until I clean it again during the week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time I post.